Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing of the Lenovo M10 Plus. Last year I believe we did the M10 HD. This is the newer version of the M10. So, still get Dolby Atmos, 10.61 inch 2K display, so that's pretty cool. Octa-core processor, quad speakers, long battery life, and support of Lenovo Precision Pen 2, but does not come with it. This is rocking 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. I got it on sale from Best Buy today for 160 bucks. So figured we're not done an M10 in a while, so why not go ahead and get this guy. So come back to the good stuff in just a moment here. So we have the, what's called the ejector pin there, and 3rd generation M10 Plus paperwork there. And then you still get, should be USB Type C, I would imagine. Yep, USB Type C. And we also get, that's cool looking with that 10 on there. And Lenovo right there. I'm sure there's nothing in the middle. That off to the side. So that is a cool looking tablet, I must say. The 2 different textures here, 2 different colors, that looks really cool. And the Lenovo down there on the bottom. So we have 1 and 2 speakers plus the power button there. We have our volume rocker there, mic here. I guess that is for your micro SD card expansion right there. Other side still has a headphone jack, excuse me. USB Type C, 2 more speakers, and that side has nothing. And then of course you also have the back camera there as well. So there you go, just a very quick unboxing, like I promised, of the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. Stay tuned, we'll be doing a bunch of videos on this, mostly comparisons and whatnot. Stay tuned for that. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.